I Jamaica, I Swag TV, I Sashga Production, I the fans. All right, this is Artist Elevation. Artist Elevation is a talent search, but it's not like any other talent search in Jamaica. As the name suggests, it's all about elevating our potential artists. Basically, we inform them, we educate them, and we elevate them about the music industry. We have persons such as J-Cap industry. We have persons who manage artists. We have representatives from radio stations. Just come in into a seminar, Artist Elevation seminar, tell them how to sign up, how to get their royalties, what to expect from a manager. And guess what? The most exciting part is lyrical face-off. Yes, we're going to have a lyrical face-off among 9 representatives. That is 9 finalists of Artist Elevation. They're very good, ready to clash, ready to tell why, ready to make you excited. So we're going back to the dance hall, we're going back to the streets, but at the same time, we're going to keep the roots of reggae. Clean, relaxing Jamaican culture.
Yeah, good evening, Swag TV viewers. My name is Ramor Ibar, but my fans and my friends call me Ibar. And I know that y'all are my potential fans and friends too, so I want y'all to call me Ibar just the same. Well, you don't know I'm here at the second edition of Sashga Artist Elevation. The reason for me entering this competition, or should I say this opportunity to be elevated, is just the chance to present real music. And I know that personally I can't present real music without having that solid backing, that know-how, way to get the thing done. And the reason why I should be the number one, or should I say the winner, is because Ibar is about real music. And come on, we're lacking real music right now. Don't. Ooh, yeah. As long as I live, I try my best to represent for everything I know is right. I don't need the fame or the hype or the light. I bet them never know. The fame and night, no for puppet in a Babylon show. I bet them never know. Babylon our liner, and in a hit them a walla. But me I want you two is independent. I'm Malcolm X, Marcus Garvey descendant. Babylon could never be my co-defendant. Yeah, them criminal chimes, me no stay adjacent. Coming with them one bag of strings, wanna get tied in things. Just through the rings and the blings and fist arena. Some sell out them soul, but as long as I live, I try my best to you know, it's only natural Ibar representing Swag TV, Sashga Artist Elevation for the world.
Greetings, Jamaica. This is Ras DeAndre, otherwise known as A.K. Zarubian Stewart, a #1 performing artist in Sashga promotion. We get this now in Jamaica here, right in Oneil's place. We have to just do it like a #1 artist to present everything that is wonderful about life. Music is life. And it's just a #1 going. Big up Sashga and the whole promotion and the management and the crew. Just like that. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, you know. He then and she then coulda defeat me never. Bun smart and lico claim said them clever. You know plant harvest time, then you must be a beggar. Remember me tell you this, don't be a sinner. He then and she then couldn't defeat me never. Bun smart and lico claim said them clever. You know plant harvest time, me know where you prefer. Me see it, know where endeavor. No evil man could never encounter. Remember, you have to be righteous in the promotion of Sashga. Always righteous music. It have to go take over Jamaica. But right now the crisis is on. People, the music is not a storm. Tell yourself, don't be in a competition. A righteousness exalt the nation. He then and she then couldn't defeat me never. Bun smart Alico claim said them clever. You know plant harvest time, then you must be a beggar. Me don't see it where you prefer. Again, he then and she then coulda defeat me never. Bun smart Alico claim said them clever. You know plant harvest time, then you must be a beggar.
Good evening, viewers. My name is Omar Carodas, aka Black Whistle. And the reason why I'm here tonight, is just because I need the potential. I have the potential, and I think I can be the next Artist Elevation of Sashga production. And guess I know me have the potential and Jamaica needs some more music like these. What I'm about to say like right now. Yeah. Every ghetto youth, it's a one under the truth. You know say. Every ghetto youth have the man to be a superstar, but the bigger heads them no love the young youth apart. Rather see you with a Chrome 9 or a SLR. Tell them me further star. Better them give me the car, no bother give me the gun for shot me black better down. Me represent the ghetto from country to town. Everywhere me go them call me ghetto come around. You know me never frown because me have to wear the crown one day. In the ghetto. In the ghetto where the gunshot a echo. In the ghetto, things ain't pretty, man. Rising at the morning, give thanks to Father God. Me eat some veggie chunks and get myself fresh. Put on a pants with me boot mouth well lean. Long time and a dream for own a limousine. Start the walking and live clean on the scene. Live like Daisy and Beyonce the queen. Me know that is a dream, but me have to touch the scene. And big up all the ghetto, all the gunshots still a echo down ya.
Yeah. To our swag viewers, Roger Hilton, aka Sonex. The reason why I enter this competition because opportunity only come once in life. The reason why I know I can be the one because I'm determined. Never stop. Yeah, a Sonex no. Yeah. Bad mind people evil and fake friend them they are no fat than weeble. Why bad mind no want to see me rise? Every day pa me name them sit and them criticize. This kind of the limit give me the ladder make me climb. Them no want me fit tool. Why are them alone? Hey, me say yes, my struggle is a test. Why them no want that youth are doing best? And them alone for wear change up in the class. We tell them, my hustle me nah give up. Me want to live life just like live up. See girls and clip me fingers like Europe. Bad mind like Volcano, but then Europe. So why bad mind no want to see me right?
Kevin, aka Kevin Frey, Nigga G, OG, Ever Streets banging, representing. I don't know a Swag TV and Sashga promotion. I don't know, big up all the artists, but there's no competitors because OG is the best ever spitting ever street crime, street banging. I don't know, keep on tugging. OG, represent for all these girls, it's a mommy world. You don't know what you're not representing, sick up to the fullest. OG, streets bangers. Baby girl come wine and get me in a trouble as a shovel. Damn say you fall like the rubble when you bubble. Say me up with the fan the puddle be the looky so hard but papa now go the OG. Love and girls keep whining. The tree knot, tick tock timing. The sweet cane, y'all keep climbing. Ride on, slide on, papa now gliding. You love it, we're banging up your city. And she be the daddy cause I'm grabbing up a kiddie cause when I'm in the ghetto, me name them a echo. Dropping at the looky so me kick it like deco cause every day me bashy. So me stashy, so me cashy, inashi. The girl want to send and boom inashi, sexy tashy. Then she want to ride it like a jockey, so she ride it, make a nigga very happy in my prime. It's talent and sign, girls jiggle and wine when we spitting this rhyme. The people then roll up like diamonds, we shine to flipping them kind. OG streets, bam!
Swag TV, don't pre me. Yeah, we are at Oneil's place, this leg of Artiste Elevation competition. My name is Kerona Vasiana and my birth paper. But on stage, I am known as Fresh, aka Dealer, the lyrical diva. I am the only female in this competition, so I'm going to teach the boys them a lesson. Drop my rhythm. You're in trouble. Yeah, it's your girl Fresh. And I'm bossy, me say. I'm bossy, pan a budget. Me spend wise, me and a puppet. Poor but me style, ever tuggy. So fresh and different, them can't touch it. Cause I mean, rolling the streets, our tongue start speak them. Love me style, them say it, you need them. Want to know how me spend my cash, but baby, you not have to know that cause me bossy pan a budget. And the haters, them a judge it. Me no care if them love it. Right now me gone down a target. Cause me bossy pan a budget. And the haters, them a judge it. Me no care if them love it. Yo, listen. Me no rich, me no cash, no money check, no stash. Stash away in the bank with family and money, man. Man, I ready for me thing, gal a bad mind, me link to me style, it stink. Mentally ill, they wouldn't understand cause the mind is blank though. Fashion sense to them just like a skank here. Flap here, whap here, at here. The for them a teeth close, allow me make me chat.
Aye, swag. A Kurt John C, you know, aka Chrome, you see it. Diffapre. I'm here to Sashga production. Me nah lie, me love it, but guess what go on? I best everybody just pack up them things and go home. Cause I feel me thing. Read him now. I'm here tell them. I best them wise up in a car. Chrome come to teach them a lesson though. Sometime temptation a ride me mind. Me just read a psalm and me hide behind. All the killing and the spilling and no my design. We want peace and love. I know that now is not no eagle time. The world on our brother now it's time to rise. Let us come together up the ladder we climb and cut out all the bad mind. The road where me chad is very rough, very much. Police and soldier in the street everywhere we touch telling us say we must go look our work. Or if them come back and see we our head with both. But we are not happy dead with us. Look how much body them left down a garden swelling up. Now the place is smelling up. Condolences to all the one who pass on and met the dust. To all the temptation and for muscle up. Hey, Diffapre.
Greetings to TV, Sashga production, Oneil's place, alongside Jamaica and the world. My name is Garfield Moody, otherwise known as Deegan. Well, I entered this competition to bring it. You see me? I have the trophy in my hand and I swing it. You see it? Well, basically, Jamaica really need some more upcoming reggae root reggae, dancehall DJ. You see me? Well, Deegan, I am a very unpredictable artist, otherwise I'm versatile. No, me no want them friend, no, me no want them friend. Me no want them friend, a Deegan, me no want them friend, no, me no want them friend, no, me no want them friend. Me no want them friend, a Deegan. All when me see them do like me no see them. Fake friend, no earrings, man I give them. Them so envious, them no want me get the boss. Them woulda want me yet fi boss. All when me see them do like me no see them. Fake friend, no earrings, man I give them. Them so envious, them no want me get the boss. Them woulda want me yet fi boss. Bad mind, bad blessing I go kill them. Them no want me reach me dreams and fulfill them. Them no like sick how when new rims. Them the chain round me neck with me 2 ears ring them. Me no girl fi you stress me. Me na the baddest, you can't come test me. And me no button fi no youth come press me. Plus you can't come use the dirty food and catch me. See them and I walk from them. But them want give me ill, me no want that then. Go me no want them friend. No for them a smile and I pray for your walk and dead. See them do like me no see them. Fake friend, no earrings, man I give them dash.
Really and truly, mad. Truly, the girls them love we love them. Yeah, the girls them love we, and we love them. The girls them love we, yeah. Swag TV, me lock the city, the world is mine. Wifey happy me, girl is mine. The girl them call case-ling when a service time, which is the perfect time. My mind design to find woman with this spine. Shape of your curve is fine, baby. You fit up on my all-star team. You are my dancehall queen. The girl them love me, cause them say me move different. Me have the stick with the bigger length. Them love me epidermis, me dermis, tissues and blood cells, even me ligaments. To them, I'm very omnipotent. All when me guilty, them say me innocent. Y'all love money, but them love me equivalent. What a predicament. Me lock the city, the world is mine.
Alright, guess what, Jamaica? Guess what, Swag TV viewers? The big excitement, the big lyrical battle will be right here at Oneil's place. So, come on down to Oneil's place. That is 33 Hagley Park Road, Kingston 5. Come see the excitement, come see Artiste Elevation in action, come see Sashga Production put on a best show ever. My viewers, you want to know what these artists are competing for, what these artists are battling for? 1 full year of promotion from Sun City Radio 104.9. So the battle is on.